Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Uplay has detected an unrecoverable error and must shut down error. Quit Uplay. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %app data %. Click OK. Click View. Check Hidden Items. Click App Data. Click Local Folder. Delete Ubisoft Game Launcher folder. Close File Explorer. Now try to open Uplay. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.